Hey y'all, I'm back again with a recipe that I love because it's so easy and quick. So you're gonna need chicken breast or pechuga, some salt, some mayo, some sour cream. You can either do it fresh, corn, and mixed vegetable, and then chips of your sort. So first you're gonna start off by putting your chicken breast. I'm gonna wash the chicken first. So now it's full with water. You want to cover it with water, and then you're going to add salt to the breast. And you're just going to add a little piece of onion in there. So that's going to boil and boil. Let it boil for like 30 minutes. I don't have exact time, but let it boil. I'm going to get a big bowl. And I'm going to open these and I'm going to get everything else ready. So we're going to drain the vegetables and put them in here. We're going to add mayo and sour cream. This much, maybe add 2 of those actually. 1.5 of sour cream, and we're just gonna mix it. Okay, so it boiled hard for like 10 minutes and I put it on medium heat. It's ready now, so I'm going to turn off the heat. What I do, I don't wait till it cools down. I'll just put it in the freezer for like 15 minutes. And then the inside will be all fresh, and then I can shred it with my hands. 15 minutes, and I will check back. So I took it out the freezer after like 10-15 minutes, and it's definitely doable. Now I'm just going to shred it with my hands. You can use a mixer. So now I'm gonna plate it. Optional, but you know we're Mexican, so we gotta add some type of hot sauce. You can use these, like I said, or you can pull this out.